Writing the equation of a sine or cosine function given its graph, these ones we're going to write in the form of y equals a sine of bx or a cosine of bx. The a again is your amplitude, your b is your period. So first of all, we have to decide if we have a sine curve or a cosine curve. We don't have any phase shifts, so if it starts at 0, 0, that's going to be my sine curve. If it either starts up or down, that's going to be my cosine curve. So I know this one is going to be the sine. My amplitude. This one is going up first to 5, so my amplitude is 5. If it will go down, my amplitude is still 5, but I'm going to have a negative 5 in front of my sine to indicate that it's going down. So this one's going to go up to 5, so there's a 5 in front. And then I have to know that for the period, we have 2 pi over b, and I look to see what the period is. This one goes from 0 to do 1 complete cycle. It's 8 pi over 3. So 2 pi over b equals 8 pi over 3. I'm going to cross multiply to solve. So 8 pi b equals 6 pi. I'm going to divide by my 8 pi. So b is going to equal, pi's cancel out. I can reduce that down to 3/4. So my b value is 3/4, so I have 3/4 x. So y equals 5 sine of 3/4 x. Don't really need the parentheses, but if you want to put the parentheses there, you could put the parentheses there. Be the same answer. Number 8, if I'm looking at that one, again, we don't have any phase shifts left, so I'm seeing that it starts up here at positive 3. So since it starts up here, it's going to be the cosine curve. And so I know I'm going to do the cosine. My amplitude is 3 and it's positive. Amplitudes are always positive, but I go up first. And then my period. So 2 pi over b is going to equal, to do 1 full cycle of a cosine curve, I'm ending back up here, I would be at 8. So solving that, 2 pi would equal 8b, dividing by 8. I get pi over 4 for my b value, so I would have pi over 4x. Again, I could put the parentheses around there. Y is going to equal 3 cosine of pi over 4x for my equation. Number 9, looking at that one, it's crossing at 0, 0 to begin with, so I know that I have the sine curve. Again, this one's going up first to 2, so 2 is my amplitude. My period on this one is 8 pi to do 1 full cycle. So 2 pi over b would equal 8 pi. 2 pi equals 8 pi times b then. If I divide by 8 pi, those cancel out. I get 1 over 4 for my b value. So 1/4 x. So y is going to equal 2 sine of 1/4 x. Going to be the equation of my sine curve.